Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 108th Indian Science Congress through video conferencing. Meghalaya Governor lays foundation for girls' hostel at Nehru Tura campus. Ambulance handed over to Lomsh Abdor Barshnong in Pinthor Umkra constituency. And Joy welcomes New Year with a community feast. Hundreds participate in merrymaking. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated 108th Indian Science Congress through video conferencing. Addressing the inaugural session of the 5-day event, Prime Minister said India's scientific community will play an important role in achieving the heights India will reach in the next 25 years. He said in the field of science, India has found its place in the top 10 countries of the world. Till 2015, in 130 countries, India was at 81st place in the Global Innovation Index. He said India is among the top 3 countries in PhDs and startup ecosystem.
अगले 25 वर्षों में भारत जिस ऊंचाई पर होगा उसमें भारत की वैज्ञानिक शक्ति की भूमिका बहुत अहम होगी। साइंस में पैशन के साथ जब देश की सेवा का संकल्प जुड़ जाता है तो नतीजे भी अभूतपूर्व आते हैं।
Governor of Meghalaya, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired today, visited Nehru Tura campus. During his visit, he laid the foundation for the construction of the girls' hostel. Speaking on the occasion, he spoke on different aspects of the university, including the administration, faculty and the students. He also called upon the stakeholders to work together for the betterment of the university, while calling upon the faculty members to enhance their knowledge and help the students in the growth of their personality.
It is vision of somebody, visionary people who have brought about this big campus, such a good educational amenity here in far-flung place like Tura. Such things must happen frequently, every time and everywhere, because education in life of human beings is the most important thing. It is a step higher than even health.
NPP candidate from Pinthor Umkra constituency, Rocky Hek, on Tuesday formally inaugurated the ambulance which was donated to the Lomsh Abdor Barshnong. Rupees 7 lakh was funded from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for this ambulance. On the occasion, Hek also handed the work order of Rupees 10 lakh for development of the football ground in the locality through Chief Minister Special Development Fund. Lomsh Abdor Barshnong Secretary KP Power said that the launching of this ambulance is going to benefit the residents of the locality during health emergency. Voice of the People Party candidate from Mairang, Shanlang Wajri, has stated that he wants to remove the difficulties being faced by the people and he can make the effort by joining politics. It may be mentioned that Shanlang Wajri, who is a pastor, will contest the polls from Mairang constituency. He said after meeting the people, he understood their difficulties and he can remove the hardship by joining politics.
Yung siya na kalombang ay stu yung jinge yung kibreo ay. Ako na tray comes store kada jinge jan mengatip yung jinge yung kibreo. Te ban wing pat ini jinge la perkat bang la puson mud la kenti. Te na tray comes store ga kot i kalong bangile persiam menik sat ay bor beret ban duai. Bang iba kene ke kam senchar kada ke benta ke crowd. Ai tu wing la ban le ke benta ke crowd bala ban wing. Ya ka ni jinge pai ba mak ke. Te kani ke peluang ga bangan jam seka. Dili jongka sai masima.
Maulai MDC Tabor Lang Pathau handed over the work order for construction of a washing place to the headman of Maulai Umthlong. Speaking on the occasion, Pathau said that this initiative would benefit the women who earned their living through washing clothes. He urged everyone to cooperate with the leaders of the villages to see that the project is not disturbed. Village leaders and residents were also present on the occasion.
Nomi kemang di bendan kecikit kriya nam takata nama lada kadan kabenta kaban nakaling cepisia he pitre kene kam kapapi kamai kaji kare kamram cenga kumnomi kemang bangan pai kemak ya kabenta kaban penbha penbet nak kabenta ban pensuk fiki nong sacha yang dikecaka ki belong ki bapen im jakpo ayeng po sem napak cinam kam.
Since 1st Jan was a Sunday, New Year celebration at Jowai took place on Monday. The day began with members from different localities preparing for the mega community feast called Bamdo Kutsnem. Fund from the feast is raised through households or individual contributions by the members of the community. Late afternoon, everyone in their best attires comes out from their houses to take the part in the feast with tasty giant cuisines, which is followed by street dancing and merry making. This year too, the Giant Tourism and Environment Society, a group of tourism entrepreneurs and facilitators in Giant Hills, is also contributed to the event. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 15.8 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning 53% and in the evening 60%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 108th Indian Science Congress through video conferencing. Meghalaya Governor lays foundation for girls' hostel at Nehutura campus. Ambulance handed over to Lomshap Dorbar Shnong in Pinthorum Kra constituency. And Jowai welcomes New Year with community feast. Hundreds participate in merrymaking. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.
Cold waves can be dangerous for locals of mountainous areas.